Hi, I'm Jack from Veterinary IT Services, and this week I'm going to talk to you about why vets need to back up their cloud. Considering how much we all depend on the cloud, it's surprising how little we know or understand about protecting the information we store on it. The cloud is great. The ease of having all your information in one place, you can find anything you have stored instantly, from emails, photos to general notes and passwords. However, it seems to be a common misconception that data in the cloud is inherently safe, but this just simply isn't true. If not set up correctly, it can provide ample opportunities for cybercriminals to access your systems and your data. So let's run through the ways data loss happens in the cloud. First up is user error. Without realizing, employees can overwrite important files or delete information that's essential to your business. If you have a backup of your cloud, you'll be able to retrieve previous versions from a specific time or reinstate a document that was deleted. Without backup, these would be both lost to you. Next up, we have malicious actions. Now, this might seem the least likely situation to you, but we have seen many instances where disgruntled ex-members of staff have deliberately tampered with the data in their practices' systems. Again, if you have a backup of your cloud, you'll be able to retrieve anything previous that's been deleted. Again, without backup, these would be lost. Then we have technical failure. There's no getting around it. Sometimes technology just fails. For whatever reason, if you have a technology failure, you might find that having an extra copy of your data that is easily accessible is a literal lifesaver. Cyber attacks. Now, we aren't being melodramatic, and we aren't talking about a small number of cases. In the past year, instances of cyber attacks on businesses increased by 400%, and it's small businesses such as veterinary practices that are being targeted, so not just big corporations. Phishing and ransomware attacks are amongst the most common. Cybersecurity isn't at the forefront of the mind of most business owners. In fact, the "it will never happen to us" mindset is exactly what created the opportunity for the ransomware attack on the National Veterinary Association in 2019, which lasted for 4 months and impacted over 400 veterinary hospitals across the US. At a minimum, if your data is exposed, lost, or breached in any way, it can lead to awkward conversations with your clients. At its most harmful, losing access to your data can lead to business closure. Okay, it's not all doom and gloom. The cloud is a great resource and a way of us storing huge quantities of data, but now you also know the importance of backing this data up. To make this easier for you, there are some great services available to back up your data, and there are tons of options to choose from, each offering something different. The service provider you choose should be both reliable and secure, but if you're having trouble finding the best solution for you, don't hesitate to get in touch with us today. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to know more, check out our blog, Do I Need to Back Up My Cloud? Don't forget to subscribe, but also check out our blog for up-to-date tips and tricks.